Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook sole fillets in a pan. First, it is crucial to prepare your sole fillets properly. Gently pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is essential for achieving a beautiful, crispy sear. Next, lightly season both sides of each fillet with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Finally, ensure all your ingredients and cooking tools are ready before you begin. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that your fillets are prepped, let's get cooking. Heat a large nonstick or cast iron pan over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or clarified butter to the pan, swirling it to coat the bottom evenly. Carefully place the sole fillets into the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. If you have many fillets, cook them in batches to maintain the pan's temperature and ensure even cooking. Once your fillets are in the pan, cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. You'll know they are ready to flip when they develop a lovely golden brown crust and the edges start to look opaque. Using a thin, flexible spatula, carefully flip each fillet to cook the other side. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Avoid overcooking to keep them tender. After cooking, gently remove the perfectly seared sole fillets from the pan and transfer them to a warm plate. To enhance their delicate flavor, you can add a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a sprinkle of vibrant, freshly chopped parsley. Serve these delicious fillets immediately alongside your favorite complimentary side dishes, such as steamed asparagus or a light quinoa salad, for a truly satisfying and quick meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.